In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your website's visual appeal by integrating a dynamic video gallery using the Wix Studio editor. Whether you're featuring a portfolio, showcasing products, or sharing creative content, a video gallery is an excellent way to engage your audience. To begin, let's focus on adding the gallery element to your page. Over on the left-hand side of your Wix Studio editor, you'll find the option labeled Add Elements. Clicking on this will reveal various elements that you can incorporate into your site. Here, you'll want to select and add the gallery option. This will serve as the foundation for displaying your videos. Now that the gallery is visibly part of your site, it's time to populate it with your video content. Click directly on the gallery itself to reveal further options. You'll want to select Manage Media, which is the next step in bringing your videos into the spotlight. This intuitive interface allows you to upload and organize your videos efficiently, ensuring that your site visitors can experience your content seamlessly. Once you have your videos set up, the next step is to dive into the design and style of the gallery. You'll want your gallery to complement the overall aesthetics of your site, enhancing user experience. Click on the gallery again, and this time navigate to the Settings option. Here, under the Layout tab, you'll find a variety of layout choices. For this demonstration, I'll choose the slider layout. This is particularly effective if you want the videos to transition smoothly from one to the next. By choosing Customize Layout, you can adjust the slideshow settings to allow the slides to automatically glide at a continuous rate, creating an uninterrupted flow that keeps viewers captivated. Under the Settings tab, pay attention to the When Clicked on an Item feature. In this instance, I've set it to Nothing Happens, ensuring that the user's focus remains on the gallery as a whole, without being redirected upon interaction. Now, shifting to the Design tab, you have the creative freedom to tweak the appearance to your liking. Customizing the design options allows the gallery to mesh perfectly with your site's unique style. Additionally, consider adding some flair using scroll animations. I've opted for scroll animations to add a touch of dynamism as users navigate through the page. Finally, let's delve into the Advanced tab. Here you can further refine your gallery's functionality. Set Play Videos to On Hover, which adds an interactive element that prompts the video to play as users float over it. Be sure to enable Loop Videos, keeping the content cycling endlessly for continued engagement. And lastly, disable the Show Play Button feature to give your gallery a cleaner and more sophisticated appearance. With these adjustments, your video gallery is now complete, providing visitors with a polished and interactive experience. By following these simple steps, you're equipped to create a visually enticing display that truly elevates the content on your website.